What's up guys, so literally some days are left for Google hardware event where Google is going to announce some new products along with their mostly awaited Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL smartphones that are the predecessor of their Pixel 3 series smartphone that really proved to be the best camera smartphones not in any specific country but globally. Yes guys, Google Pixel 3 series is the first ever smartphone in history that has the best camera in the world in case of smartphones. Now on October 15th, this Google event is going to be held where we will see the new Pixel 4 series devices and Pixelbook and some new Pixel Assistant devices from Google like Wi-Fi Assistant and much more. And obviously we will have much improved camera than the Pixel 3 series, and this year's smartphone will having a small change in its design like camera setup. Yes, it will be way much changed from Pixel 3 series. This Pixel 4 series is more likely to have the square shaped camera setup like we have seen it on the iPhone 11 Pro, and it is the same camera setup, same positioning. It's like the copy of iPhone 11 Pro camera setup, and Pixel 4 series is ditching the notch this year. That is actually great thing because majority of smartphone users are not liking the notch on Pixel devices. And if we talk about the display sizes, then Pixel 4 model is having 5.7 inches of display and Pixel 4 XL will have 6.3 inches of display size, and both models will have 90 Hz of refresh rate that we have seen before this on Asus ROG Phone 2 and OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7T, but now we see it on Pixel 4 series, and both models will also feature AMOLED displays. The Pixel 4 display resolution could be 2080 by 1080 as compared to the Pixel 3 which had a 2160 by 1080 resolution. Meanwhile, the larger Pixel 4 XL could have a resolution of 3040 by 1440, a slight upgrade over the 2960 by 1440 resolution on the Pixel 3 XL. In fact, one source also suggests the 3040 by 1440 resolution but adds that it will be a 6.23 inch size compared to the Pixel 3 XL's 6.3 inch panel. So rumors and leaks claims that Pixel 4 series is more likely to have same sensors like Pixel 3 series but with tons of software improvements, and we will also have the 12 megapixel dual pixel lens along with 16 megapixel telephoto lens that will enable us to see zoomed image in clear details and lift the photography to next level. And another main feature of these cameras is double exposure. As you can see, it combines two exposure at same time to provide much clearer image and detailed image with good lighting conditions. And here we have some samples including the portraits and nightscapes and astrophotography that really gives mind-blowing results like DSLR effect, and you can see samples. Just look at them. Don't you think that these photos are taken on high level DSLR? But these are just taken on the Pixel 4 devices. This could also be competitor to some other brands like Huawei and iPhone smartphones, which are their new flagships like iPhone 11 Pro and Huawei P30 Pro. And if we move towards battery powers, then Pixel 4 will feature 2800 milliampere of battery while Pixel 4 XL will have 3700 milliampere of battery. Now Google is not improving the batteries to noticeable level, like there is too much competition in market regarding the battery capacities of smartphones, but Google is actually lifting the batteries to a very small extent every year, and this could be disappointing point for some Pixel lovers. And there will also be a lack of audio jack, and both of the new Pixel devices, Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL, will have Snapdragon 855 processor, and this chipset is really powerful chipset for gaming. Keep in mind that the Pixel 4 series will not have the 855 plus processor, there will be just 855 processor. And some other cool features are the motion sensor gestures. We have seen a video from Google officially on YouTube that shows that how Google Pixel 4 gestures are being used by moving your hands, and it just changes the musics and moves from apps to apps and much more. So excluding the notch from Google Pixel 4 series is a good step, because here Google has added the 5 camera units on the front side for better photos and added 3D face unlock also, and some other motion sensors. We do also have a few rumors about RAM management. One of the biggest weakness of last year's Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL was the fact that each phone only had 4 GB of RAM. Just about everyone can agree that Google needs to be step it up and include at least 6 GB of RAM. Luckily, we have plenty of rumors to suggest this will be the case, and both Pixel 4 devices will come with 6 GB of RAM. So everything is just same, every feature is same in both Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL devices. There is just a difference of display sizes, and this is the most leaked smartphone in the history. Yes, this Pixel 4 smartphone was just started leaking at the start of year of 2019, and that's all about the leaked Pixel 4 series smartphone details. I hope you enjoyed. Then please subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.